Yo, so we're in the back end of LongTailPro. So I'm now going to go through with you and show you all about LongTailPro. This is a review slash tutorial, so you can just see the features in action. I'm going to try and make it quick. I know obviously you just want to see what it's about and how it could work for you. So I am going to try and be quick. Look, the links are in the description. If you want to check it out, the links are there. You can go and see it. And also, this is accompanying, I can't say the word accompanying today, accompanying, it's with this article. So basically, there's an article called itsalanyoung.com, Longtail Pro Review. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. But I'll go in depth and show you how to use it. And, there's some really good content there as well, if you want to check that out. But, yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you how it all works. So when you sign up, you're going to sort of open up on a page like this. You're going to have a default. If you want to create more projects, just click the plus sign. You can put your project name in, and you can create as many projects as you want, I think, and then you can get going. So for this project, I'm just gonna leave it as default, which is normally what it's called. You can edit the name and all that kind of stuff. But first thing I want to say is, whatever your domain is, so say your domain is how to make or how to knit or whatever, you put your domain in here, and that's going to give you a more accurate reading of the keywords that you can target. So at the moment, without a domain in, it's just going to say 25 to 30 because those are more easier. If you've got more website with more weight and more authority, you're going to literally be able to target keywords higher up the scale. But if you put your domain in and you've got a new domain, it's probably going to tell you around the 25 to 30 range anyway. So make sure you do that. Put your domain in if you have one, so you can see a realistic idea of what you can target. And if you haven't got a domain yet and you're just thinking about what you should go after and you're looking for ideas, and it doesn't really matter too much, just you know that you could probably have to target those kind of level keywords to begin with. So let's get into it. So there's two parts of this website. You've got the keyword research and the rank tracker. Rank tracker is when you're going to track the keywords that you're going after and see where you're ranking over time. And it's going to show you your improvements, or if you're decreasing in the SERPs or the search engine rankings or whatever. So that'll be for later. I'm going to show you that in the second part. So let's get into it. Seed keywords is the first thing that you need to put in. So I recommend that you brainstorm keywords around the topic that you're thinking. So I'm just going to go for an example. Let's just go with vegan. So a vegan is a seed keyword. It's very broad. You don't know much about what someone's going after when they put vegan in. So you're just going to put these seed words in. So vegan, veganism, or whatever it is. So let's do that. Vegan, veganism, plant-based, vegan diet, let's go vegan food. So those are seeds. They're very broad. You don't know much about it. Long tail keywords you're about to see. They're more. You know more about the customer, or more about the people who come to your site on long tail keywords, because they're longer. So it might be how to lose weight on a vegan diet, or best vegan meal plan for weight loss. You know what someone's looking for when they type those keywords in, and they're easier to rank for, and they tell you more about the person as well. So in my eyes, they're much more better to go after these long tail keywords. And even though they've got less traffic, you know more about them, and you're going to be able to target your message and your products and all that kind of stuff around those keywords. So let's get going. So you can choose the amount of suggestions that you want per keyword. Default was 20. That's going to be good enough in a minute. Click retrieve, and now it's going to give me 20 suggestions per keyword for each C word that was there. So I'm going to wait a second. I'm going to wait for it to populate, and we'll come back. So 100 keywords have now populated. We're in the list here. So what I'm going to do is put it on 100, so all 100 are showing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange the KC scores. So here's what I was saying about the KC scores. Any in green are definitely good to go for, and amber are going to be a bit more competitive, but you can do it. And I'm going to sort this from lowest to highest. So at the moment you have we have five amber ones by the look of it. So what you can do is you can go through and see the keywords and see what you like to look at. And then what you can do next is that you need to narrow it down or dive deeper, and to do that you click on the plus 20. So you can click on plus 20 of that, plus 20 of that, plus 20 of that, plus 20 of that, plus vegan food list, and then what you'll do is best vegan blogs. Oh, I'm clicking on it, but it's populating at the same time. But what you'll notice is you'll start to get some green ones coming in then, and the more deeper you dive, you're going to start getting more of these green KC scores, and they're going to be much more easier for you to target. And like I said, it tells you more about the person as well. So don't think because someone's only got 100 or 200 volume a month, they're definitely worth going for. Believe me, they're going to be much more targeted traffic to your website rather than just generic people who come to your site. I mean, think about it like this. If someone typed in photography on Google, you literally just have no idea what they're looking for. But if someone types in the best photography lens for this, or best photography lens for long distance shots or whatever, you know what they're after then. Or this photography camera review, you know much more about the customer, so, or the prospects or whatever. So just have that in mind. Don't just not do something you think it's only got 100, 200 volume. They're definitely worth going for. And the thing is, if you go for 10 of these green ones in your first month and you start ranking quickly, your website's going to start getting a few thousand visits a month very quickly. So just to put that in mind. So anyway, this is giving us some green ones now. So look at these keywords: benefits of a plant-based protein powder. Think what you can do with that. You can put 57 benefits of plant-based protein powder, and then you could link to a protein powder and earn money as an affiliate. Or you could or plant-based diet for 30 days. You could create an article showing people how to follow a vegan plan for 30 days, and you could have a link to an affiliate product which is a vegan meal plan or something like that. But you get the point. So plant-based protein powder versus whey, you can create a killer article showing the benefits of a plant-based powder, and bang, show them the best plant-based powder there is, and link to it. So you get the point. Whatever it is, whatever niche you're after, you can just see that these keywords are going to be more better for you when they come to your site because they're targeted, and also they're going to be more easier. So this is what you can do. And you can keep diving deeper, keep looking through these keywords and thinking, oh, vegan grocery list, click on that, and then it's going to give you another 20. And you don't have to give 20. You could have more than 20 each time, but you get the point now. It's quite easy. And look, there are lots of green ones now. Look, raw grocery food list. Just have a little look and you'll be able to see quite a lot. So that is the very basic way of showing you how to find more long tail keywords. And then the next thing you want to do is actually to have a look at the keyword itself. So let's benefits of a plant-based protein powder. Let's click on this. So what you do is you click on it. It's going to take you to here, and it's going to tell you the keyword competitiveness and show you a breakdown of it. And look, so the reason this is easier to rank for is you can see the people in the top 4. These are very easy to rank websites, man. These are, if you look at these individually, so I would actually click on them, have a little look, and I'll have a look at their website and their articles, and just see how long are these articles, and you can have a look. So you just go through it and just think, could I write a better article than this, more detail, more in depth? And I mean, that's not very long at all. You can literally create a better article. If this has got 9, you can go and do 11 and just make it better, make it stand out. So I'd click on each one of these and actually have a look at them and just see what they're doing, see what's good about their review or whatever it is, and then make a better article. And you can just see this. So it tells you all the stuff about them. So these have got there's no trust flow in these. So these you've got more chance of ranking for these websites, above these websites. So now you've got an idea. Just go through and click on all of them and see what they're doing. Get the topics. You can see it's 9 surprising benefits of a plant-based protein powder. That's a nice title, man. And you can think of something better. Like I said, you could do 11, 13 powerful benefits of a plant-based diet. Or protein powder even. So that's how you would do it. You just click on it and it will take you here, and then you can go and look for it and see what you can do. But that's really what I would do. And it's very simple. That's what I like about it. Very simple. It just tells you the keywords. You click on it, and you can see the competition and see what they're up to, and then go from there. You can favorite them and then filter it out as well using the filter. And then only show them ones once you've got the ones you don't want in there no more, or you can delete the other ones. It's up to you. It tells you a few other things. You've got the competition, the volume, you know about that, the word count, and the location as well. So you can also change the location that you're going after by here. Click on here, and then it will show you what's your chance of ranking for those keywords if you chose to UK, for instance, if you're going after Canada, or you're in Brazil, or you're in Mexico, or whatever it is, you can change that if you're going to be more targeting those countries, and then you can see the competition volume and KC score for those keywords. So very easy. So there you have it. I mean, that is really, in a nutshell, how to use the keyword research. Very easy. I love it. You can find amazing keywords here. And now I'm going to show you the rank tracker. So we are on the rank tracker part now. So I've only just trying to get this website up and running, isalanyoung.com, and now you've got the main dashboard. It shows you I've got 15 keywords which are in 1 to 3 now. I've got 5 keywords in the 4 to 10 mark, 1 there, 2 in the 21 to 40, 1 in the 41 to 60, and 1 in the 81 to 100. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go down and show you the details of it, but I'm not going to show you the keywords. They're for me, my eyes only. But I will. I'll blur them out and show you the rest of the details. So I'm going to scroll down now. So when you're here, what you want to do is you put the keywords in that you're going to go after. So each time you create an article and you know the keywords that you're going after, you go here, you put the keyword in that you're going after, put the domain that you're going after. So I like to create a project around each domain, and then you put your domain in here, and it's going to show you all your domain here. Then it's going to show you the keywords here, which is I've blanked out, and then also you can check for which one, if you want it to be Google, Yahoo, Bing, the location. Obviously it's just America I'm going after. The Google I'm going to do as well. I'm going to show you the ranks. I'm going to sort these from top to bottom. So as you can see, I'm going to scroll this down. I've got loads now in ranking for position 1, and they've been ranked 1 now for a little while. If I keep going down, they've got loads in position 2 now, and it's showing you the improvement. So it's +2. It's gone up 1 since 3. Some they fluctuate, I notice as well. Some go up and down, but overall, these I can see the improvements. And what is good about this as well, I can see sometimes if something's hovering about the 10 to 15 mark, you can go and improve it. So I actually had that the other day. I've got an article which is this one here. This was ranking between the 10 and 20. I've actually just gone and updated it last week, and it's starting to make improvements. So I wanted to make it better than the articles which were in the top 10. And I had a look what they were doing, and I really made an improvement on it, and I can see that it's making a difference. It's on 8 now, and this is a good keyword that I want to go after. And it was a lot. It wasn't even in the top 20 for a while, and then it's in the top 10 to 20, and now I'm in the top 10. I broke through. And and you can see that there's just improvement. So some are going up and down, like these ones are up and down, but they will get better. And the thing with these ones here, these are actually keywords. Because I went back and looked at the difficulty on the keyword research, and these keywords that I was going after, which are not doing as well yet, they are much more difficult. They weren't even in the KC range of green or amber. So I learnt my lesson. I had a look and I thought, maybe I can go after these. They look easy enough. And there's a reason why some are in green and some are in amber, because it does actually, it's accurate. So I'm not going to say I'm not going after them. I just got to make the articles better, and over time they will improve. So they are improving. These ones are slowly but surely improving. I mean, it's gone up and down here, but they will rank eventually if I keep working on them. But you can see now it's really simple. Just tells you that, and it updates every 24 hours. And you can see the difference between yesterday, last week, last month, and all that kind of stuff. But to do that, you literally just put the keywords in domain, and then it's going to show you. So it's literally that simple, and you have it in a nutshell now. A very powerful, affordable keyword research tool. You just see that. What else do you need? You need to know the keywords you're going after and see the positions that you're ranking after you're going for them. And also to make things a little better, they've even got video tutorials. So this is it's really good. I've only just noticed it the other day, so I just thought I'd let you know. There's 12 lessons, and I've literally only gone through the first couple like yesterday or the day before, because I didn't even know about it. I must have not noticed it, but this is really good, and it'll help you learn to use the platform a bit better. So I'm going to leave it there, man. I hope I sort of give you some value in that, and just to show you what it's about. But this is a very affordable keyword research tool. There are other ones out there, but they're over $100 a month, and they're very much more. They're very more they're just harder to use, but they're very good still. Like SEM Rush, I like using. You know, you can check that out as well. But this one here is very affordable, and I recommend it. So links are in the description, and if we ain't friends yet, why not hit that subscribe, and I will see you in another video. And